Better option 2. Back sleeping with knee support. This can help some low back pain, and it can feel very stable. Use a small pillow under the knees. It softens the lumbar curve. It lets the low back relax. It reduces pulling in the hip flexors. This can be a big relief after 60. Use a modest head pillow. Too high bends the neck forward. Too high can also worsen snoring. If you want extra comfort, support the arms slightly. Place small pillows under each forearm, so the shoulders do not feel pulled back. This can reduce shoulder tension and reduce tingling in the hands. If you snore heavily, be cautious. Back sleeping can worsen snoring for many people.